Today we are gonna start with a basic program that is hello world.c. So first let us select an editor. So my preferred editor is Visual Studio Code. So I am selecting it and let us create a file, new file. So let us click on new file. Okay. Let us save the file as C extension. So let us rename the file as hello world and format as C file. Every C program file will end with .c extension. Okay, now we are going to create it. So I am saving it. So this is hello world.c. You may use your preferred IDE. There are many various editors available out in the market like Sublime Text. My preferred editor is Visual Studio Code, so I am using it. So now let us start the program. Okay, let me do the full screen. Every language has functions, variables, and types for each variable. So to make the same things simple, now I am going to talk specific about C language. In C language, there are many functions you can write, but the program will start executing from main function. So that means that our program will start from main function. So every C program should have a main function. So now we are gonna write main function. Every function has a return type. It may return different variable types, which I'll explain now. So for now, assume that what I'm writing. I will explain in future videos why I'm writing this, because this is, as you know, this is the first video. So just we are gonna see how C works and how to compile program, how to run a program, how to what is C and how to catch the errors. So it's like basic overview. Don't be worried if you don't understand any. You will be uh, seeing those in next video. So let us now go into the program. So now let us write a main function. I am writing main function which is returning an integer type. Don't worry, I will tell what is integer, what is types, what are the types available. For now, let us assume that main function will return an integer in this hello world.c. And as you know, main function, I'm writing main. Now open braces. So main does, I'm not giving any arguments to the main, so it will be empty. Now I want to print hello world to the output. C program will run on our computer, so we want to print it on the output. Output is nothing but our desktop screen. So input is nothing but our keyboard. So in this hello world.c, just we are gonna print the output to the screen. That is, we are printing just hello world. So for printing anything onto the output, we will use printf function. Don't worry, again I'll explain you everything, just be with me. Printf. So here every valid statement in C program will end with a semicolon. So I need to write semicolon here. So printf, for this printf function we are giving a string. Don't worry, string is nothing but a, you may assume it as a set of characters. Like it, string is used for storing names, etc. So for this printf I am giving a argument that is a string. So I will pass it as like this. So hello world, this is my string. That's it. And as we wrote return type is int, so we need to return some integer. So I am returning 0. You may return anything, return 100, any integer. Okay, so we need to save it, control s. Now we need to run it. For running, we need to go to terminal, new terminal window. Okay, we need to move into the directory in which this hello world.c is there. So I'm in, so my directory has already hello world.c. So this is my directory. So now we need to run our command gcc hello world.c. Got a warning implicitly declaring library function printf with type int constant something. So it is also telling some suggestion, include the header htdo.h or explicitly provide a declaration for printf. So I know the warning will come, but actually want you to know why the warning came and how to resolve it. So let us see what the warning tells it. It is telling something about this printf. So I'll tell you what the warning means. It is telling that the printf function is not yet defined. We only defined main function. In that main we wrote printf. But where is the printf? Did we write anywhere printf? No. But then how will it know what is printf? So we need to write printf somewhere, or we need to use the printf which has been written by someone. So printf is already written by someone, some C developers. So we need to use that function. But actually it is there in this library stdio.h. So if we include that library, we can use the functions which are there in that library. So if we include that, then we'll not get this error. So that's why I'm including that library. Include library name is stdio.h. This will include that library. So now I'm saving it. So that's why it is selling. Note, it is giving a suggestion, include the header htdio.h, which means this will include the library which has this function printf, or provide a declaration, or write your own printf. So now I am including this header so that this printf will be covered from that library. So now let us again compile it. For compiling, gcc is a command in terminal. So now gcc and file name.c. Yeah, it's compiled properly. Now let us execute. For executing, the command is dot slash a dot out. After compiling, you will get an executable. Don't worry what is executable, it's just another file. Your file hello world.c will compile and will generate another file which is a dot out. If you want to run that a dot out, we need to enter dot slash before it. So by entering this dot slash a dot o, we are running that executable. So when we run we are getting output hello world. But again we are getting this something unnecessary thing. So to rectify this, what the problem here is, after hello world we want this Bharat some this related to terminal thing in the next line. But we are not getting it in the next line. To get it in the next line, we need to use slash n. This slash n will tell that compiler that anything you want to print, you need to print it in the next line. So hello world will be in one line and anything after it will be in the next line. So now let us save the file. Now again compile the file. Every time if you do any changes to the file, you need to save it, then again you need to compile it. So we are compiling the file again, gcc hello world.c, enter, and we are running the file, that is a dot out. See, now you are able to see hello world in one line and the rest of the things in the next line. So that's it. This is hello world. It's like the basic program which you can write using C language. Now I will explain what are functions, what are data types, what why you are writing int, what is return in the subsequent videos.
Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do comment your doubts and suggest me topics on which you want me to do videos so that I can cover those in future videos.